Hello, today I'd like to show you just how quick and easy it is to price your inquiries using our building work pricing templates. In this short video we will be looking at the small works version of our brickwork and blockwork template. When you first purchase the template, we adjust the labour rates to what you pay your operatives. This, together with up-to-date material and plant prices, ensure that your pricing is accurate. Right, let's get started. I've already measured my drawings and taken off my quantities for the masonry work. Now it's just a case of inputting the quantities into the template. This is simple and straightforward to do. First, I will input the engineering brickwork and the blockwork for our footings. Class B engineering brickwork in this case, we have 6.6 square metres. And 100mm blockwork, gauge mortar below DPC, we have 12.56 square metres. That's the footings done. This project is an extension with a rendered shell, so it's just blockwork for the cavity walls above DPC together with the internal walls. Right, let's pop that in. Altogether, blockwork, 100mm blockwork above DPC at 72.46 square metres. And that will pop our cavities in. Forming the cavity 45.8 square metres, and there we go. That's the blockwork for the superstructure walls and the internal block walls done. I'll now add the accessories such as damp proof courses, cavity closers, wall starters and lintels. Then we'll pop in the pad stones for the steelwork, and finally the cavity wall insulation. As you're working on a file, it's highly unlikely that you will suffer any software crashes which can result in you losing hours of work. Right, there we have it. I've put in all my quantities and I now have a total cost for all my brickwork and blockwork. £6,098.28 for the masonry, and for the sundries, which is the cavity insulation, is £427.51. That brings to an end this video. Thank you for watching.